This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
This is a new test for GoTranscript. It's for all you would-be transcribers who are supposed to be listening to the test and transcribing what you hear. Now, you might think that this is super easy. A lot of people use all sorts of devices nowadays to help them transcribe. However, there's not a lot of people who know where to put the commas. In this test, you're also expected to look things up in the GoTranscript guidelines. I would say that 9 out of 10 people won't do that. Even if you have awesome automated transcription skills, you still don't know the combination rule in the guidelines, so you won't pass the test. Even if I tell you that 8 out of 15 people won't bother looking things up in the guidelines, you still won't do it, and most AI programs won't get it right neither. In fact, I just tested that by using a new feature in Microsoft Word for voice dictation. Guess what? It didn't get any of the stuff I'm putting in here, which is referenced in the guidelines, correct. That's why we give you these tests. We don't want people that just use AI to transcribe everything. Heck, we could do that ourselves and save $5 or 8 quid. If you're so lazy you won't even bother looking in the guidelines from the company you want to work for, why should we hire you? I mean, yeah, it does say in the Bible, Luke chapter 10 verse 7, if I'm not mistaken, that the laborer is worthy of his or her hire. But doesn't that work both ways? Doesn't the person doing the hiring have a right to expect some labor in exchange for that hire? I mean, sure, there's a theory that people in their 20s don't have as much of a solid work ethic as people born in the 70s, but I personally think that's a lot of hooey. In conclusion, let me just remind you that FINRA Rule 4370 requires that a firm disclose to its clients how its business continuity plan addresses possible disruption in various scenarios and its response to those scenarios. Not only that, but you may elect to enroll in e-delivery by providing your email address wherever indicated. However, you may always request a paper copy of any document, which we'll be happy to deliver by the next available autogyro.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.